Stop scrolling. Right now. You're about to hear the whispers that are shaking the very foundations of the photography industry. Forget what you think you know about mirrorless cameras. Because the camera we're discussing today isn't just an upgrade. It's a reckoning. For months, the rumors have been swirling, thick and fast, behind closed doors and deep in the forums. But we've managed to pull back the curtain. We've synthesized the most credible, the most shocking, and frankly, the most mouth-watering leaks about the camera that is poised to dethrone the reigning champions, the Nikon Z8 II. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why is this machine so critical? Because the original Z8 was brilliant, a mini Z9. But Nikon knows the competition isn't sleeping. Canon has an R5 II looming. Sony is perpetually innovating. To stay ahead, Nikon can't just iterate. They have to dominate. And if these leaks are true, if even half of them materialize, Nikon is about to unleash a monster that will redefine the professional hybrid camera. Let's not waste any more time. You came here for the unconfirmed truth. The most explosive leak revolves around the sensor and processor. Everyone expected a refinement of the 45.7 megapixel stacked sensor. Wrong. The most recent highly confidential information suggests Nikon is either utilizing a completely new, high-speed 60 megapixel sensor, or they have so radically re-engineered the EXPEED processor that the performance jump is simply seismic. Imagine a 60 MP sensor that can read out faster than the current 45 MP. Think about what that does to your rolling shutter. Think about the latitude it gives you in post-production. It's not just more resolution, it's smarter resolution, managed by an EXPEED 8, the rumored next-generation engine that handles data like a supercomputer. This means zero blackout shooting isn't just maintained, it's perfected. It means the buffer is not just deep, it's practically infinite. But the real game changer? It's autofocus. The Z8's AF was fantastic, a massive leap. The Z8 II, according to insiders, is using deep learning to go beyond mere subject detection. We are talking about predictive AI autofocus. It won't just find the eye, or the car, or the bird. It will anticipate its next move. Imagine tracking a Formula One car hurtling toward you, and the system knows where it will be 10 milliseconds from now. This is a level of precision that eliminates the term missed shot from your vocabulary. We hear there are new, specialized modes, possibly even a hyperlapse subject mode that intelligently adjusts focus during long time-lapse. This isn't software, this is a mind meld between you and the camera. Now, let's talk about the hybrid user, the video shooter. If you thought the 8K on the Z8 was impressive, brace yourself. The leaks strongly suggest internal 8K 60p NRAW recording. 60 frames per second in Nikon's highly efficient RAW format, internally. That is an absolute game changer for high-end cinematic work, demanding clients, and professional VFX. It eliminates the need for bulky external recorders while giving you the highest quality format available. This puts the Z8 II on par with cinema cameras costing twice as much. But Nikon heard the complaints. They know the Z8 got hot. The rumors address this head-on, a re-engineered thermal management system. Whether this is an internal vapor chamber, a specialized heat sink design, or simply a slightly larger, more effective body shell is unclear, but the promise is this: unlimited 8K recording. No thermal shutdowns. Pure, uninterrupted professional workflow. And then there's the viewfinder and LCD. The Z8 had a great EVF. The Z8 II. It's rumored to feature a stunning 9.44 million OLED EVF with a massive 120 Hz refresh rate. It won't just look like an optical viewfinder, it will look better, brighter, faster, and more detailed than anything currently on the market. Furthermore, sources hint at a complete redesign of the rear LCD, moving from the existing 4-axis tilt to a full, vari-angle screen. This is a massive concession to the hybrid content creator and videographer, demonstrating Nikon is truly listening. Let's cover the critical quality of life upgrades. The Z8 had a single CFexpress Type B slot and a single SD card slot. The Z8 II. The most exciting leak is the possibility of dual CFexpress Type B slots. For the professional working under pressure, weddings, major events, wildlife expeditions, this means ultimate redundancy, absolute speed, and peace of mind. No more speed bottlenecks. Pure, blistering data transfer. And battery life, the Achilles heel of many mirrorless systems. The Z8 II is rumored to either debut a new, higher-capacity EL18 series battery, or, more likely, a completely optimized power management system that squeezes every last shot out of the existing EL15C. The goal, a battery life rating exceeding 500 shots, a crucial psychological barrier for professionals. So, let's summarize the shocking leaks that are making the competition sweat. 60-megapixel stacked sensor with potentially an EXPEED processor. AI predictive autofocus that anticipates movement. Internal 8K 60p RAW recording with unlimited time. DUAL CFexpress Type B card slots. 9.44 million high-resolution EVF and a variangle LCD. But here is the biggest question, the one that determines everything. The release and price. Rumors point to a potential early 2026 announcement, or perhaps a teaser late in 2025. This timing is strategically placed to challenge any holiday season releases from the competition. And the price? Expect it to sit slightly above the original Z8's launch price, likely landing in the $4,200 to $4,500 range. A premium price for a camera that offers premium, flagship-level features. The Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be more than a camera. It's a statement. It's Nikon saying, we are here to compete, not just in resolution, but in speed, intelligence, and professional endurance. If you are currently shooting with a Z7, a Z6, or even contemplating a jump from Canon or Sony, you need to pay attention. Because the Z8 II isn't just an upgrade you want. Based on these leaks, it's the professional tool you need to stay ahead of the curve. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these leaked features is the absolute must-have for your workflow? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because we will be the first to break the official news as soon as it drops. That can read out faster than the current 45 MP. Think about what that does to your rolling shutter. Think about the latitude it gives you in post-production. It's not just more resolution, it's smarter resolution, managed by an EXPEED, the rumored next-generation engine that handles data like a supercomputer. This means zero blackout shooting isn't just maintained, it's perfected. It means the buffer is not just deep, it's practically infinite. But the real game changer? It's autofocus. The Z8's AF was fantastic, a massive leap. The Z8 II, according to insiders, is using deep learning to go beyond mere subject detection. We are talking about predictive AI autofocus. It won't just find the eye, or the car, or the bird. It will anticipate its next move. Imagine tracking a Formula One car hurtling toward you, and the system knows where it will be 10 milliseconds from now. This is a level of precision that eliminates the term missed shot from your vocabulary. We hear there are new, specialized modes, possibly even a hyperlapse subject mode that intelligently adjusts focus during long time.